Hello everyone and welcome back to our excavator series, and with me today we've got a Kubota U17-3 and I'm going to take you through the correct startup procedure for this excavator. So follow me into the cabin to get started. Like with all the other machines at WHC, we're going to use 3 points of contact to enter the machine safely. On the rollover protection structure of the U17, we've got a handlebar on the left hand side and on the right to assist us with our 3 points of contact. Now straight into our seat. First thing we're going to do is pop our seat belt on, and it's worth noting that the excavator isn't going to start without that seat belt engaged correctly. So the two things we need to check before starting the excavator, this is normally where you get a common number of problems. We need to ensure that the left arm armrest is up properly and that seat belt is engaged. We're going to take out our operator's key, pop it into the ignition and turn it to position 1 only. This is going to start priming the engine and getting ready for the machine to turn on. After 5 to 10 seconds, we can turn the key to position 2 to start the engine. You have now successfully started your U17-3. Now, when you want to engage the hydraulics to begin the work, just simply drop your left arm armrest. When you're finished using the excavator, lie the boom and the bucket down in the service position, lift up your left arm armrest and key off. You've now successfully turned the excavator off and you're now safe to exit the machine using the handlebars provided on the rollover protection structure. And there you go everyone, that is the correct startup procedure for one of our U17-3 excavators here at WHC Hire. Now if you come into any more problems whilst using this machine, please refer to the QR code that you'll find inside the cabin of the excavator for more step-by-step help guides. For more information, or if you're stuck thereafter, then please get in contact with your local WHC Hire depot as soon as possible so we can ensure we can get your machine up and running for you. Thank you once again for joining me, and until the next video, take care and bye-bye for now.